1 plus 1 equal to 2, 1 plus 2 equal to 3, 1 plus 5 equal to 6. 3 plus 2 equal to 5, 3 plus 4 equal to 7. 6 plus 3 equal to 9, 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 6 plus 2 equal to 8, 6 plus 6 equal to 12. This process will be continued. 1 minus 1 equal to 0, 2 minus 2 equal to 0, 3 minus 3 equal to 0, 4 minus 4 equal to 0, 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 4 minus 2 equal to 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 6 minus 4 equal to 2, 6 minus 1 equal to 5, 7 minus 2 equal to 5, 8 minus 3 equal to 5. This process will be continuing.